Thank you for watching the 34th episode of Financial Independence Retire Early. My name is Bird, and today I want to talk about the cryptocurrency space and also just the effect or the influence of people like you and me, retail investors, and also sharing parts of my own personal investment strategies. Just know that I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice. I just share what I think I understand. I share what I think I know so I can improve my working process and my decision-making process as an investor. So I hope that you do your own research. You improve your own, understanding and knowledge, and you make decisions, investment decisions based on your own understanding and knowledge as an investor. I am not giving you financial advice. This is not a financial advice channel. But with that said, the more we try to improve our understanding, just refer to episode 11 and episode 16. I give out a lot of definitions and descriptions and working context of the words that we use in the cryptocurrency space, blockchain space, and even in the financial market space. So if you feel like some of these words that I use might be going above your head, or just you might be missing the context, just refer to episode 11 and episode 16. I will put their links in the description box. So what am I trying to understand today, right? What is going on in the crypto space? That's what I think I'm trying to understand today. Have we hit the crypto bottom more specifically? That's the big question that I have at the back of my mind, because we've seen Bitcoin, I think, come up 40% odd, 30% odd from what could be the bottom. We've seen Ethereum come up 100 odd percent from what could be its bottom, and cryptocurrencies are a speculative asset, a very risky or volatile asset class to invest in. So to see a lot of capital inflows coming into the cryptocurrency space at a time like this, right, where there's a lot of negative economic indicators out there, recession this, inflation that, war this, Ukraine that. So for a lot of capital inflows to be going into such a speculative asset means that there might be investor confidence in the cryptocurrency space. On the institutional side of the investor confidence, we see BlackRock investing in a company like Coinbase, which is one of the biggest cryptocurrency trading apps, if I may call it that, in the United States. We've seen Ethereum improve its technology from proof of work to proof of stake, and what that does has effectively made Ethereum, or the blockchain technology space, a more greener or more climate friendly technology to invest in. And we know that a lot of negative press that have been coming out about Bitcoin mining or Ethereum mining is because it is a very energy and electricity intensive technology, especially with the climate change that we have today. So for such continuous technological improvement in the space, and seeing a lot of institutional investor confidence, gives a lot of retail investors also a level of confidence investing in the space, because we've seen, the meme coins, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, ones that I love myself. I've, about 2-3 episodes on these coins too, just to show how much I love them, and I've tried to improve my understanding on them too. We've seen Shiba Inu even surpass Ethereum, right? Showing you that even on the retail side, there's some investor confidence in because we know these meme coins are bought by people like you and me, the retail investors. You do not expect JP Morgan to be buying like $1 billion worth of Shiba Inu or Dogecoin, but we expect the everyday person, like I said, even with all of these negative indicators and our pockets becoming smaller, we are still effectively investing in these meme coins, and also these brand name cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Dogecoin. So that just shows there's a lot of investor confidence on the retail side and on the institutional side of the cryptocurrency space. And for retail investors, it's always important to participate in dollar cost averaging. I was buying Bitcoin when it was like R1 million a coin, and I'm buying Bitcoin today when it's like 300,000 Rand a coin. And that's just because I'm trying to effectively lower my cost base for owning Bitcoin. So if I bought a Shitoshi at $1 million rands, and I'm buying a Shitoshi at 300,000 rands, I'm effectively averaging down my cost base for Bitcoin. So if it ever goes up to 100,000 or 1 million rands rather, I've then effectively improved my profit margin for owning or buying Bitcoin. So dollar cost averaging over and over again, just comes across as, the best investment strategy for retail investors, because, we do not have a lot of like capital inflows or a lot of money to inject into the market at once. So if you like constantly and slowly improve and buy and grow your margin of holding and your margin of holding, whether it's shares or whether it's cryptocurrencies, but dollar cost averaging, especially when the price goes down. If it's a company or technology or investment class that you believe in, that you understand, that you keep learning and knowing about, and improving your understanding of, I think it is, dollar cost averaging as a retail investor is one of the best investment strategies you can use, because even if the price goes down or even if there's a negative economic climate, you know that by the time the cycle comes back up, you would have effectively lowered your cost base for owning the asset class. That's when the prices come back up, you make effectively a larger profit, and that is one of my favorite investment strategies as a retail investor. Again, I am not a financial advisor. I'm sharing my understanding and my knowledge and parts of my investment strategies as I'm trying to improve my decision making as investors. So the crypto bottom, I hope we hit the crypto bottom. We can see Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Ethereum, all of these, they're struggling to come back up. Yes, we see them go back down. That's why I'm like, probably a bear rally, because we know that when there's a downturn, bear rallies are highs and lows within the graph. So just improve your understanding, improve your knowledge, and let us hopefully reach financial independence so that we can retire early. My name is Bird.